एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सबका। मैं हूँ अर्षा और आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ ओरेकल कार्ड रीडिंग फॉर द ईयर 2026 एंड आई वुड रेकमेंड यू टू वॉच योर रीडिंग टिल द एंड क्योंकि वी विल बी शफलिंग ओरेकल कार्ड्स फॉर ईच मंथ ऑफ योर 2026 एंड लेट्स गेट इनटू इट। बाय बाय। हेलो एवरीवन, ये है आपका पाइल सिलेक्शन पार्ट और ये है कार्ड नंबर 1 ब्लू सोड लाइट के साथ। ये है कार्ड नंबर 2 विद क्लियर कोड्स। ये है कार्ड नंबर 3 विद ग्रीन एवेंचुरीन एंड ये है कार्ड नंबर 4 विद येलो जास्पर। सो आप कोई भी पाइल चूज कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन स्किप टू द पार्ट ऑफ योर पाइल एंड लेट्स हेड इनटू योर रीडिंग। बाय बाय। हेलो पाइल नंबर 1, दिस इज योर रीडिंग और एज यूजुअल ये आपके सिचुएशन कार्ड्स रहेंगे। दिस टाइम मैंने सिर्फ 2 ही कार्ड्स निकाले हैं सो दैट यू नो वी जस्ट नो कि व्हाट हैज हैपेंड करंटली इन योर लाइफ, जस्ट टू नो दैट दिस पाइल इज फॉर यू, ओके, एंड दैट इज इट। इसका और कोई मतलब नहीं है, ओके। एंड या दिस विल बी द मेन कार्ड विच विल टेल अस कि आपके 2026 की न्यू ईयर की ओवरऑल क्या एनर्जी रहने वाली है पूरे 2026 की, ओके। And this will be an extra message and also we could say a main energy or a main message card for the 2026 of your life, okay. Now let's head into it and अभी हम पहले situation cards भी देखेंगे, but let's see what the you know okay, yeah, this was your crystal, right? Blue soul light. Anyway, इसको भी हम साइड में रखेंगे and let's get to know कि what is the main card for your 2026. क्या एनर्जी है, क्या नहीं है। Okay, strength card, absolutely amazing. Just know for a fact now this whole 2026 I won't be saying that it will be tough or it will be easy, but it is going to be an year where you're going to learn that you have literally a lot of strength inside you. Maybe you must be thinking कि मे बी मेरे पास इतनी क्षमता नहीं है, मेरे पास इतनी हिम्मत नहीं है, बट नो फॉर अ फैक्ट दैट यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ नाउ विद द एनर्जी फॉर 2026। इसका क्या मीनिंग है? इसका ये मीनिंग है कि 2026 में यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न, यू आर गोइंग टू बी टफ, यू आर गोइंग टू बी रेजिलियंट टुवर्ड्स whatever challenges you are being faced by, okay. So like जो भी कोई भी चैलेंज आ जाए आपकी लाइफ में, दिस कार्ड सेज दैट आप उसको easily overcome कर लोगे because you have a lot of strength, okay. So this will be your main card for the 2026 and you're going to be a lot strong now, okay. Now let's get, as I said, please ये ओवरथिंक मत करने बैठ जाना कि अच्छा स्ट्रेंथ आया है तो मुझे तो मैंने तो पहले भी देखा है टैरो में, तो इसका मतलब तो ये होता है कि कुछ जो भी चैलेंजेस आएंगे तो स्ट्रांग होना पड़ेगा, ऐसा नहीं है, ओके। it does not mean that, okay. Now let's head into, I hope you're able to see this card. Anyways, yeah, so let's get into it. ओके, नाउ विद द सिचुएशन कार्ड्स। हाँ, तो ऐसा मतलब सोचना नहीं है कि यू नो ओके, आई थिंक आई शुड, ओके, आई थिंक आई कीप इट दैट वे, कीप इट दैट वे। आई होप यू आर एबल टू सी द कार्ड्स। एनीवेज, सो ओके, हाँ, तो मैं यही कह रही थी कि ओवर थिंक नहीं करने बैठ जाना है कि टफ होगा 2026 की ईजी होगा। जस्ट नो फॉर अ फैक्ट अप एंड डाउन आते हैं लाइफ में, डजंट मीन दैट द होल ईयर विल गो effed up. 2025 wasn't all that bad, right? I mean, it was kind of for everyone, but I wouldn't say entirely bad tha. I think we got to learn a lot from this year, right? So anyways, keep these spirits up. The thing is, keep these spirits up, stay alive, survive, and let's go, okay. Earth is beautiful, plants are beautiful, that is what we care about, ठीक है? Okay, now the world and the tower. Now these are your situation cards. अगर आप इससे resonate करते हो then this pile is for you. But अगर आप resonate नहीं करते हो, I would suggest you to go back to the pile selection part and there you can choose another pile for yourself, okay. Now with the world and the tower, now I think with the world some sort of phase has ended in your life which has actually left you maybe it looks like it has left you a bit tired, but you're kind of thankful that it happened. ऐसा ऐसा लग रहा है with the art that has been shown on this card, the world card. And the thing is that with the tower, काफी सारे बिलीफ सिस्टम्स जो हैं आपकी लाइफ में जो भी थे, या वट एवर यू यूज टू बिलीव, या वट एवर यू हैड बिल्ड इन 2025, अपेरेंटली इट हैड कम टू एन एंड. तो इसका मीनिंग ये है कि ये जो फेज था ये खत्म हो गया. एंड इफ दिस सिचुएशन इज फॉर यू, इफ दिस ये कार्ड्स अगर डिस्क्राइब करते हैं कि आपकी सिचुएशन है, then definitely this is your pile. Okay. And yeah, let's get to know कि आपका oracle card क्या बोलता है. I think I'll keep it this way. I can do less and attract more. Absolutely. See, now let's look at this card. She's literally doing nothing. She's resting घास में एकदम मस्त. She's laying down and flowers हैं, and she's enjoying the time of her life. So definitely, um, you are going to do less and attract more. This is the main energy, main message for your 2026, and this is absolutely insane. This is crazy. I love it. I can do less and attract more. और क्या चाहिए बंदे को, right? Anyways, now let's get into the main reading for your 2026, which is actually oracle card reading जो हमने heading में ही बताया हुआ है. And let's get into it, and it will be a month wise reading for you. We will shuffle 2 to 3 oracle cards आपके एक month के लिए 2026 में. Okay, so let's head into it. Okay, so these are the months for your 2026, Jan to December, and आपके पुराने cards मैंने यहाँ पे रख दिए हैं, and let's head into it. And first of all, हम इसके लिए tea leaf fortune cards shuffle करेंगे. Now I would like to clear out one thing, and that is कि you know even though out there every tarot reader, I won't say every tarot reader, but maximum tarot readers, what they do is they do fortune telling and this and that. Let me tell you one thing. Now, I don't do fortune telling, but I simply do tarot reading. Okay. Now, if I talk about my experience, then from my experience, I believe that whatever you do in present decides कि future में क्या होगा. ठीक है. तो I do not think कि we could predict the future because we don't know कल क्या होगा. Let's be real. Do we really know कि कल क्या होगा? Do you know that you will let's think about this thing कि do you think आप कल गोलगप्पे खा के like जाओगे, like you'll go and eat golgappas? I think you can do that, but have you planned it right now? If you have planned it, you might go, but अगर आपने प्लान नहीं करा तो do you think ऐसा होगा? हो सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है, right? I think you understand what I'm saying, right? So yeah. Anyways, मैं आपके लिए फिर भी टी लीफ फॉर्चून कार्ड्स शफल करूंगी according to each one of the month for 2026, and then I'll shuffle more oracle cards because this is an oracle card reading, right? So let's head into it. Okay. Okay, now this is for Lion, time to act. Now in January, it says that it is a time for you to act. I hope that you're able to see these cards. Okay, let's do another one, which is for February, and let's head into it. Why do I say head into it again and again? Cracked cup, dissatisfaction with life. Now that does not mean that um मे बी कुछ ऐसा होगा कि बुरा हो जाएगा और आप डिससेटिस्फाइड हो जाओगे. सी एज आई टोल्ड यू, फॉर्च्यून टेलिंग में यू कुड गेट अ लॉट ऑफ मैसेजेस, बहुत सारे प्रोमिस कि ऐसे हो जाएगा वैसे हो जाएगा, और एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे होता वही है जो होना होता है उस टाइम पे. ओके, डजंट रियली मीन कि वही होगा जो प्रिडिक्ट किया हुआ है. ओके, and it is completely okay for you to not agree with me. If you can also take up a message for yourself. जैसे आपको अगर कुछ लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे मुझे कोई thought आ रहा है, I think this is a message for me, you can even take that. Okay, now with the cracked cup, I think कि एज आई सेड बिकॉज आपके सिचुएशन कार्ड्स में आया था टावर कार्ड, राइट? सो विद द टावर कार्ड इट वाज लाइक कि कुछ बिलीफ सिस्टम्स खत्म हुए हैं. तो अपेरेंटली वट एवर यू प्लान फॉर फेब्रुवरी मे बी फॉर 2026, इट माइट नॉट हैपन मे बी. ओके, नाउ इट्स अ मे बी फ्रॉम मी. ओके, आई कैन नॉट प्रॉमिस इट टू यू. मैं फ्यूचर आपको प्रॉमिस नहीं करूँगी ऐसे ही होगा. ओके, मेरे को अपने आप का बेवकूफ़ नहीं बनाना है यहाँ पे आके कि देन पीपल विल टेल मी कि ऐसा तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, सब बढ़िया था, ये क्या करा आपने, है ना? आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड मी, राइट? नाउ लेट्स डू इट फॉर द मार्च month, and that is take care. Enemies are working against you now. Obviously, who are enemies? We could even say that it's not necessarily that enemies हैं, but I think मेरे को ऐसा मैसेज आ रहा है कि in the month of March you are um, advised or warned that see, stay away from लेजीनेस वगैरह. एंड बिकॉज इट इज दी, अभी तो साल शुरू ही हुआ है यार. अभी तो साल शुरू हुआ है. अभी तो बहुत टाइम है हमारे पास. अभी तो हमारे पास इतने सारे मंथ्स हैं. डोंट डू दैट. ओके, because in January it is told to you that time to act. Keep acting, don't stop. Okay, like keep doing that work, keep put in that work. Okay, do not stop. Okay, yeah, vacation lena is a separate thing, but in terms of if you are a business owner, if you have just started your business and you want to be completely, do it however. Okay, कैसे भी है करो. Your own enemy is you when you get lazy and you get tired and you think that you can't do it but you actually can do it, है ना? तो वो बात हो जाती है. Is what I am getting from this card. Okay, this is the message that I'm getting. Okay, now it could be something else. I don't really believe in having enemies. I mean, honestly, if there's somebody bad in your life, cut them off. As simple as that. Do not take disrespect and लाइक फालतूगिरी नहीं लेनी है लाइफ में. ओके, लोगों से अगर इफ दे डू नॉट लाइक यू, इफ दे आर योर एनिमीज, आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू ब्लॉक देम एंड जस्ट cut them off. Okay, now let's get into the April month for 2026. Okay, now this is victory in some endeavor. So probably कोई ऐसी चीज होगी जिसमें आपको victory मिल सकती है in April, maybe. Okay, now this is kind of connected. I could say it this way that अगर आप यहाँ पे मार्च में maybe अगर आपको laziness feel होती है in 2026, because it's apparently March, right? It is just the third month of 2026, right? So yeah, अगर आप उस चीज़ को ओवरकम कर लेते तो apparently आपका अप्रैल काफ़ी अच्छा जाएगा. Yeah, this is this is amazing. I love it. Now let's shuffle for the month of May. An exciting event. Okay, so in May there is going to be a celebration, an event. कुछ तो होने वाला है, बहुत मजा आने वाला है. I hope you're able to see this card. It says an exciting moment, event. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, May is going to go good. एंड ऑल्सो द फैक्ट दैट ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि अप्रैल में आप कोई ऐसी विक्ट्री आपने हासिल करी है दैट यू आर गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट इट इन मे, एंड दैट कुड बी अ थिंग. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गेट इनटू द जून month. Okay, I think it's this one. I'll take this one. Okay, now it is heartache over what you no longer have. अब इसका ये मतलब नहीं हो सकता कि whatever you have है, but it could mean that because it is heart. Now heart kind of relates to emotions हो गए आपके, the matters of heart, relationships. It could be that you might be going through a stuff like that, or maybe it could be a period where you feel very emotionally down, like heartache, right? Heartache over what you no longer have could be something you do not have anymore. But that does not mean कि हमने spirit पहले ही खत्म कर देनी है 2026 की, because apparently I think the time you might be watching this must be like 1 week prior to 2026. तो ऐसे spirit down नहीं कर लेनी है. ओके, सो इट क्लियरली मीन्स कि हो सकता है कि जून में ना थोड़ा आपका ऐसा डाउन पीरियड जा सकता है कि जहाँ पे कोई ऐसी छोटी मोटी बात होगी हो, and that is completely okay for a human to feel that heartache. Okay, just know for a fact that main card आपके लिए आया था strength card. So देखो, अभी की सिचुएशन आपकी जो थी, आपने उससे ओवरकम कर लिया, तो आप इससे भी ओवरकम कर लोगे. देर इज नथिंग फॉर यू टू बी अफ्रेड ऑफ, राइट? सो एग्जैक्टली, यू आर सो स्ट्रांग, राइट? सो या, विल टेक दैट एज दैट, जैसा है वैसा लेंगे, राइट? And I hope you understand the fact that tarot reading is not only about the positive stuff, it actually talks about the real stuff that might happen or is happening, right? It is not all positive, it is not all, you know, flowers all the time. It is also winter, it is also October, it is also summer, spring, everything, right? Just like life, just like seasons on this planet earth, right? So yeah, I hope you understand. Now let next oh my god, let's do it for the month of July. Clouds, temporary problems. Okay, could be some temporary problems. I think it's kind of connected कि heart एक है, temporary problems की वजह से ऐसा हो सकता है. Like you would realize कि ये heart एक जो था, that was because of some temporary issue. Like you afterwards realize कि अरे यार ये तो temporary चीज थी. Like you realize कि ये permanent थोड़ी रहेगा, खत्म हो जाएगा. And that is how life goes, up and down, right? Now for the month of August, let's go. I think it's this one. Okay. Bridge. Successfully overcoming a problem. As I said, see, it is literally so connected. So you don't need to worry. As I said, strength card के साथ आप सब चंगा है भाई. You will do everything. You can do anything. You are so strong. Okay. Let's head into the card for. Okay. अपने आप ही गिर गया भाई. Anyways, card for September. Someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. Okay, now इसको हम रिलेशनशिप का कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं देंगे इस कार्ड को, वेज को. आई थिंक इट शुड बी द फैक्ट दैट यू नो आपके सक्सेस, लाइक आपका जो पाथ टू सक्सेस है उसके बीच में और कोई कभी भी नहीं आता है. इट इज यू एंड ओनली यू. अगर आप यू नो सी, इफ somebody has told you something, ठीक है, किसी का कोई ओपिनियन था, उन्होंने आपको आके बेवकूफ कह दिया कि अरे भाई तुम तो बेवकूफ हो. दैट इज हिज ओपिनियन, ओके? यू डोंट एक्चुअली नीड टू टेक इट. और उसने कह भी दिया तो पहली बार ठीक है भाई, तू जा, दफा हो, कट ऑफ, मैं तेरे से बात नहीं कर रहा. I don't need you because apparently if you can't motivate me, if you cannot, understand me, then there is no need for you to be in my life, okay? And next, the thing that I was saying is कि आपका जो path है, if you want something, your success that you want, तो उसके बीच में और कोई नहीं है, आप ही हो. वो आप ही की लाइफ है. दिस इज योर लाइफ. You are the main character of your life, okay? So anybody that is stopping you, it's not actually them, it is just you, that you think, you take, and you react, okay? So yes, that is what it is. I hope you understand what I'm saying, right? I think it was a long pause. I don't know what happened. मेरी एकदम से सांस मेरे को ज़्यादा लेना पड़ा. Anyways, now for the month of October, let's go for October. Okay, I think I should take this one. Okay, successful outcome to your problems. Exactly. See, and if you overcome this point, कि मतलब आप like आई एम सो सॉरी एवरीवन. एक्चुअली मुझे बीच में रियलाइज हुआ कि मैंने अपना माइक पहना ही नहीं है एंड वो साइड में पड़ा है. अपेरेंटली, थैंकफुली, मैं आई आई होप यू आर एबल टू लाइक आप मुझे सुन पा रहे होगे. बट एनीवेज, लेट्स गेट बैक टू योर रीडिंग. मेरे को पूरा लाइक दैट पॉज, लाइक आई वाज लाइक वेट अ सेकंड, ये यहाँ क्यों पड़ा है, ये मैंने क्यों नहीं पहना है. एनीवेज, सो या, your card was successful outcome to your problem. See, it is such so connected, like whatever it is happening. See, as I told you, main card was strength, right? So you'll overcome it eventually, and जो भी आपको चाहिए होगा with the key. Also, could be a fact that if you are wanting to have a house of your own or a space of your own, you could even get that, okay? Now yeah, okay, so this is the message for the month October for 2026, okay? Let's head into the November. Okay. Which is crown. Honor and respect will come to you. दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल. और क्या चाहिए भाई, और क्या चाहिए. Crown, yeah. I think November is going to be a good month for your 2026. I think maybe, like, you know, काफ़ी मज़ा आएगा शायद आपको, ऐसा ऐसा मुझे फीलिंग आ रही है. Okay, now December. Now for December, it will be something important such as a new job or a raise. Exactly. As I was saying कि नवंबर में बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है. I think probably you will even get the message like ऐसा कुछ raise and all का. Like कुछ तो आपको पता चल जाएगा नवंबर में ही, which will make you a lot of happy. Like you'll be very happy, और मतलब दिसंबर में वो चीज़ हो जाएगी, ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. Okay. Now, let's, shuffle extra message for your, I think, for your January, for June, and for December. Okay. I'll do these 3 months because I think मेरे हिसाब से मुझे मेन लगते हैं. I think. Okay. Let's do that. Now we will shuffle these oracle cards. Oh my god, इतने सारे नहीं चाहिए भाई, सारे तो इकट्ठे ही गिर जाते हैं sometimes. Let's reshuffle. Okay. Which is now okay. What? Oh my god, मैंने उल्टा ही रख दिया ये. Now for your January, when I'm tuned to the into the energy of abundance, I become abundant. Yeah, right. So make sure कि January में जब भी आप you're putting the act, you are coming up to work, मतलब make sure कि जो भी आप काम कर रहे हो ना overall, it's not just about January, it's also like it feels like कि पूरा टाइम आपने abundant ही feel करते रहना है. Because आपके लिए ये कार्ड भी आया था कि I can do less and attract more. सो इट इज सजेस्टेड फॉर यू कि आप मतलब ना अबंडेंट फीलिंग ही रखें, अपनी पूरी अबंडेंट एनर्जी ही रखें. अबंडेंट डजंट मीन इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी और एनीथिंग एल्स. अबंडेंट मीन्स कि यार दी स्मॉल थिंग्स इन लाइफ, लाइक आप अकेले बैठ के यू हैव दिस फ्री टाइम फ्रॉम योर वर्क, आप इसमें रिलैक्स कर रहे हो, चिल कर रहे हो, यू कैन इवन बी हैप्पी अबाउट दैट, एंड दैट इज बीइंग अबंडेंट. और अचानक से आप सोचते हो कि यार मैं कितनी अबंडेंट हूँ यार, मेरे पास टाइम है रिलैक्स करने को, मेरे पास टाइम है चिल करने को. ऑल्सो द फैक्ट दैट इस जगह पे हम ग्रेटिट्यूड भी शो कर रहे हैं कि यार वाओ आई एम सो हैप्पी, मेरे पास ये सब है, राइट. सो या दैट इज द एनर्जी यू need to tune into, okay, in January. And overall 2026. Let's head into June. June क्या कहता है? Okay, I let the universe catch up with my dreams. Exactly. So you keep on working on your dreams. The universe will catch it up, and yes, we will do amazing. As said, that successfully overcoming a problem and successful outcome to your problems. Okay, and oh my god, they are kind of similar. So दो बार आया है. Great. That's amazing. Now let's do it for the month of December. Okay, I'll take this one. I can decide today to recalibrate my energy and commit to love and joy. I think ये वाला भी does not restrict to the month of December, but it clearly says that just think about love, joy. I'm so sorry. I just yawned. I feel so sleepy. Anyways, so yeah, commit to the energy of love and joy, and your whole year is going to go so smooth. Like just stay away from any sort of negativity. Okay, just tune yourself into your own life, and that is it. You don't need to do anything else. Okay. एंड आई थिंक मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये रीडिंग ना शायद इससे मुझे भी खुद के लिए भी एक मैसेज आ रहा है कि आई थिंक आई शुड स्टे अवे फ्रॉम नेगेटिविटी the most, because apparently things around the world catch up to you somehow, and you get to know about the bad stuff happening around you. So apparently I would suggest you to stay away from it if you can, and yeah, that would be great. So yeah, this was your reading. Hopefully you resonated with it. And अगर आपको reading अच्छी लगी हो, you can put a like or subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in your next reading. Bye bye. Hi pile number 2, this is your reading, and as usual ये रहेंगे आपके situation cards. This will be the main card and main energy for the year 2026 for you, और ये रहेगा हमारा also an extra message for the year 2026, okay, for the overall, okay, year. Now let's head into it. इसको हम बाद में देखेंगे, पहले let's talk about the main card. And okay, this was your crystal. I forgot about a crystal. इसको हम side में रख देंगे, which is clear quartz. Okay. Now, Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups says that this year you will be, surrounded by the very loving energy and the flowing energy, the very emotional energy of your life this whole year. And yes, with the Ace of Cups, आप काफ़ी सारे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे relationships भी बनाएंगे, like friendships, and yes, could be romantic relationships also, or relationship, I would say. And yeah, mostly it feels that, like, you'll be more emotional this year, and you'll be forming a lot of good friendships, it feels like. Okay, so yeah, this is the main energy for your year 2026. Now I will next get into the situation cards. Now situation cards में जाने का मेरा एक ही मकसद होता है, and that is कि आप अगर सिचुएशन कार्ड से रेजोनेट कर रहे हो, then well and good, and if you're not, then it is suggested that you could go to the pile selection part back again there, and select another pile for yourself, okay, if you do not resonate with the situation cards. Okay, let's see what these cards have for you. Okay, I think I'll keep it here. I hope that you're able to see the cards. Okay. Now, with the Eight of Swords, it feels like कि अभी की situation आपकी ऐसी है ना कि you're starting to see the patterns in which you yourself are, जैसे आपको समझ आ रहा है कि यार मेरी ही ओवर थिंकिंग की वजह से, या फिर मेरे ही कुछ सेल्फ लिमिटिंग बिलीफ की वजह से मैं मतलब इतना लो फील करती हूँ, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस और सेल्फ इस्टीम मेरे को इतना लो फील होता है अपना, मेरे को इनसिक्योर फील होता है, मे बी इट इज़ जस्ट मी. सो यू आर स्टार्टिंग टू रिकॉग्नाइज दैट पैटर्न, एंड यू आर विलिंग टू चेंज वट एवर सिचुएशन दैट इज गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ विद यू, एंड है ना. एंड विद द स्टार इट सीम्स लाइक कि जो भी आपकी लाइफ में सिचुएशंस रही हैं, पास्ट के चैलेंजेस रहे हैं, उससे आप हील करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो इस वक्त. ओके, दिस इज द प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन कार्ड्स. ओके, so yeah, you're trying to heal from it, and you are doing absolutely great. I think this is amazing. I would honestly, Eight of Swords मतलब रिवर्स में आना ना, इज लाइक मेरे को मतलब बहुत अच्छा लगता है इस कार्ड को रिवर्स में देखना. तो रियली लाइक आई लव दिस एनर्जी. So let's get to know ki what is the, oh my god, what is the main card for main message or main card also for your year 2026, and that is, okay, I slow down and listen to the guidance that's available to me. That is amazing, I think. So yeah, it clearly says that, don't forget to slow down, and don't forget to listen to the guidance that's available to you. Okay, now you could watch my readings, you could watch you know these long tarot readings, and also my short readings that I do over short videos. जैसे जो भी आपको गाइडेंस मिल रही हो, पेरेंट्स, वट एवर फील्स राइट टू यू, वट एवर गाइडेंस फील्स राइट एंड fair to you, I think you should, listen to it. And yes, please slow down. Okay, yeah, so this year requires you to also, slow down a bit. Like you could do, like, इस चीज़ में कुछ भी कर रहे हो ना, इस साल आप कुछ भी चीज़ कर रहे हो, आप साल में जा रहे हो ना, इसे स्लो डाउन इनटू. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि स्लो डाउन का मीनिंग ये नहीं होता कि आज का काम कल कर लो या परसों कर लो. आज का काम आज ही करो, लेकिन slow down in the sense that you don't need to over pressure yourself with a lot of tasks. Okay, so yeah, what it means, that is what it means. Yeah. Okay, now I will separately, मैं टी लीफ टैरो, टी लीफ फॉर्चून कार्ड्स आपके लिए शफल करूंगी अकॉर्डिंग टू ईच मंथ ऑफ योर 2026 ईयर, एंड उसके साथ हम एक्स्ट्रा ओरेकल कार्ड्स भी शफल करेंगे, एंड देन लेट्स सी हाउ योर रीडिंग गोज एंड आई विल बी बैक. ओके, सो वी आर बैक एट इट, एंड अब हम आपके लिए टी लीफ कार्ड्स एक एक मंथ के लिए हम शफल करेंगे, एंड लेट्स सी what are the extra messages for your 2026 in your oracle reading for your year 2026. Okay, let's head into it. Okay, first for January, yoke, feeling tired down or frustrated. Now in January it does not mean that you might feel tired down or frustrated. I think because starting में जो आपके cards आए थे which were like 8 of swords, it feels like कि in January you might feel frustrated only because the patterns that were holding you back, actually they are indulged as a habit in you. तो बेसिकली जनवरी में, क्योंकि इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी अ लॉन्ग टाइम, राइट, इट इज लाइक अभी 2025 है, अभी दिसंबर है, राइट, एंड नेक्स्ट इज जनवरी, इट्स नॉट मच टाइम, इट्स नॉट अ बिग गैप बिटवीन दीज 2 मंथ, राइट. तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि मतलब आपको ऐसा लगे कि यू नो your old patterns are coming back and you're not able to get out of it, maybe ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि जनवरी में आपको बीच में ऐसे कभी फील हो, या जनवरी में स्टार्टिंग ही आपको फील हो. ओके, सो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके, दैट दिस कार्ड सजेस्ट कि ऐसा हो सकता है, तो मेक श्योर कि you try to overcome it. Okay, let's shuffle for your month February. Okay, that was a great one. Hammock, taking a vacation physically or mentally. Yeah, so even if you're not able to, oh my god, I'm sorry, my card fell under the table. Okay, yeah. So taking a vacation physically or mentally, okay. Now it could be anything. ठीक है, फिजिकली भी हो सकता है, मेंटली भी हो सकता है टेकिंग अ वेकेशन, या फिर ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि टेकिंग अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम योर साइड हसल or whatever you are doing, you want to just take a break. I think February will be a good time if you plan on going on somewhere and like taking a trip to some good place. I think you could do that. Or maybe ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि there is a vacation coming up in 2026, or maybe you have planned one out in February. So yeah, it could be that way. Now let's go for the March month of 2026. Just a disclaimer here, okay, that I do not promise you a future कि हाँ भाई तुम्हारे इसमें ऐसे ही होना है तो ऐसे ही होगा. आई डू नॉट बिलीव इन एक्चुअली knowing the future. I think कि whatever you do now, like if we think about it practically and reality basis पे, whatever you do now, whatever seed you grow now will definitely plant, and the way you keep, the way आप उसकी हिफाजत रखते हो उस बीज की, तो वही डिसाइड करेगा कि कल को प्लांट उगेगा, अच्छा होगा या बुरा होगा या मर जाएगा. ओके, सो आई थिंक कि वट एवर यू डू इन प्रेजेंट वही डिसाइड करता है कि आपके फ्यूचर में क्या होगा. सो आई एम नॉट प्रॉमिसिंग यू एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ फ्यूचर, बिकॉज आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू लुक डम कि ओके आपने तो ऐसा बोला था कि नहीं 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 अप्रैल में तो ऐसा होगा तो ऐसे ही होना चाहिए था, पर ऐसा तो हुआ ही नहीं. तो वी नॉट गोना डू दैट. ओके, वी आर गोना स्टे रियल, and that is what we're going to do. Okay, for the March, financial gain usually coming from something you did in the past. Exactly, see, I didn't even read the card and it actually aligned with what I said right now. So yeah, आपने कुछ पास में ऐसा करा हो सकता है जहाँ पे आपने like कुछ सीखा होगा, and potentially it will lead you to a new job, or it could actually lead you to a financial gain. Or even if not, even if it's not a financial gain, I think it would be a um yeah, it could be a gain in terms of your knowledge and stuff like that. Okay, so yeah, because we need to stay open. And yeah, with the open thing, I remembered the Ace of Cups. It actually says that you will be more receiving towards the loving energy of this year, and also towards like flowing energy of this year. So yeah, वो भी चीज होगी उसमें. Okay, yeah, so let's head on to the April part. Okay. It is a valley, deep personal strength and peace that assure success. Amazing. That is even nice. So basically it feels like कि आपका वेकेशन के बाद मार्च अप्रैल में टाइम तो बढ़िया ही जाएगा. Like deep personal strength and peace is what everyone needs, right? Like peaceful रहेगा आपका अप्रैल काफी, है ना? Okay, let's move to May. Okay, I would like you to, just comment that hill emoji if you think you resonate and you want to claim this peaceful energy for the April 2026, and I would love to see your comment. Okay, let's move on to the May month. Oh my god, month को मैंने क्या बोल दिया अभी? Anyways, okay, it's actually two cards. I think we'll take two cards. We can take two cards. So first is firecracker, and it says excitement. Okay, May could be a month of excitement for you. And pig, beware of greed. Okay, that's great. So beware of greed with anything. Greed of emotional fulfillments, needs, financial needs, any sort of needs. Like, just beware of greed, okay? Greed leads you to nothing but addiction and, bad stuff. Beware of greed. Now, let's shuffle for the month of June. I think, oh my god, I do not need these many cards, please. Okay. Okay, June. So, with the June, we have you need to defend yourself. Okay, now with the June, it could be that, uh, it could be it could be a thing that, because I also try to connect these oracle cards with, one another. So the previous one said that beware of greed, but if somebody tries to, or if someone or anything, or you yourself try to, just because, as I said, beware of greed, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप अपनी इमोशनल नीड्स को कतई ignore कर दो. I don't think that will be a good option for you. So shield, with the shield, you need to defend yourself. You also need to protect yourself. Like shield का क्या काम होता है कि वो अपने आप को, आप जब शील्ड पकड़ते हो तो आप अपने आप को, लाइक आप बचा रहे होते हो अपने आप को. बेसिकली यू आर प्रोटेक्टिंग योर सेल्फ, राइट? सो आई थिंक दैट इज वॉट यू शुड डू फॉर द मंथ ऑफ जून 2026. एंड yeah, I think it's not even about each month over here. It feels like a general reading कि overall month कैसा जाएगा. Yeah, so June could be a month that where you would want to, you would have to defend yourself from something. Okay, but I do not promise anything. It could be a nice and chill month also. Okay, as I've said before. Okay, now let's shuffle for the month of July. Oh my god, this was the one, I think. Dog, protection from a powerful friend. Protection from a powerful friend. It kind of feels like somebody, one of your friends could be protecting you from something, and that's really nice. That's really good, I think. I'm so sorry. I just yawned. I feel so sleepy. I don't know why. Even in pile one, I was feeling so sleepy. And I think it was around these months only, like the summer months. Anyways, let's head into the August part of your reading. Okay. And that was great one. Okay. Flat. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. Yeah, as I said, beware of greed, but also defend yourself, and like yeah, do not lower your standards. Okay. Again, again, I yawned. Why am I so sleepy, bhai? Anyways, could be your energy, or I don't know, but I kind of feel tired. It could be a thing that you might be tired right now, like in the year 2025, maybe. Okay. Now for the September, we have short journey. Okay. Mm-hmm. Short journey. Okay, it could be that you might be taking a short journey to somewhere in September, or it could be, I see this card as, some sort of phase ending in September 2025. Could be a phase, a bad phase, a lot of emotional phase. Like it feels like कि जो emotional phase होते हैं ना, आते जाते रहते हैं. You never know it is long or it is quick or whatever. You never know how it goes, okay? Anyways, now let's shuffle for the month of October. Okay. Fair man, dealings or relationship with the man with the blonde, gray, or white hair. Honestly, I don't know how to, like, how should we interpret this? But yeah, you could be meeting a man in October if you are interested in lovey-dovey, readings. We'll get a new one for you in 2026. But yeah, it could be also related to your, job or your career. It could be that. I don't know why. But anyways, beware of a man. Stay safe, girls. Okay. Anyways, let's shuffle card for the month of November for you. Like I said, this one flipped a bit. So we'll take this one. Beetle, good fortune. Oh, that is even great, I think. Maybe after, okay, now October could be fair man. It kind of says that it feels like कि नया phase शुरू होगा. And in the November with Beetle, good fortune, that you actually don't need to worry. Your fortune is in your hands and it's great, and you're planning it out, and everything is going amazing, okay, in the month of November. Let's go for the December. What does December say? Okay. Crib, birth or conception of a child or enterprise. Now, it could be obviously if you are planning out a child, it could be that. But even if it's not that, it could be a new idea for a new venture. Like, it could be anything. Yeah, it could be a great idea. Maybe आपका ऐसा दिसंबर में ऐसा कुछ होए कि आप जो बहुत लंबे टाइम से सोच रहे हो. I'm sorry, I yawned again for the fourth time, I think. Um, सो या इट कुड बी कि आप बहुत लंबे टाइम से कोई ऐसी चीज़ सोच रहे हो जो आपने करनी है, मे बी आप 2026 दिसंबर में ऐसा शायद स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो या दिस कुड बी अ थिंग. एनीवेज, लेट्स गेट इनटू द एक्स्ट्रा मैसेजेस फॉर द मेन मंथ्स जो मैंने खुद से डिसाइड करके रखे हैं. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग फॉर यू, बट ऑब्वियसली these don't only restrict to your like the month, but yeah, हम इसको as a message for the whole year भी ले सकते हैं. Okay, now for January or January or whatever, true manifesting is about receiving what is for the highest good for all. Exactly. Now, what is for the highest good? I think you will know what is for the highest good, right? So focus on that. Focus on receiving that. Focus on manifesting that. Okay. Yeah. Now for the month of June. For June, it is as soon as I choose to see the light in the dark, corners, I redirect my power toward what I want. Exactly. Like whenever you feel low, just think about the fact. Just think about that day जहाँ पे आपके पास सब कुछ है. You are like happy at your most. You have everything you need on your own. Just think about that. Those dreams जो आपके अंधेरे में आपकी light बनती है, right? Yeah, absolutely do that in the month of June and also in 2026. Now let's do for the month of December. Okay, it's two cards. Okay, manifesting is the creative process of aligning with the energy of the universe to co create an experience that elevates my spirit and the spirit of the world. Amazing. And the next card is to begin the practice of allowing, I must get out of the way and let spirit give me direction. Yes, exactly. So the first card means ki manifesting is the creative process of aligning with the energy of the universe. Okay, so yeah, universe की क्या energy है? Let's get to know about the energy of the universe. Universe keeps on moving, keeps on moving, keeps on flowing, and whatever happens, it learns and then keeps on moving and doing its work, right? So yeah, it clearly says that manifesting, aligning with the universe is, I think, what your goal should be for the year 2026. Let me sip some water. I kind of feel thirsty. मैं इतनी देर से बोली हुई हूँ. Okay, I don't know if you heard my throat or water running down my throat. Anyways, now next is to begin the practice of allowing, I must get out of the way and let spirit give me direction. Yeah. So whatever spiritual thing you believe in, or whatever it is, even if it's universe, just let them you know give you direction, and you just keep on moving ahead. Okay, wherever the universe takes you, know for a fact that it will be for your highest good only. Okay, now let's shuffle some extra cards for the year 2026. Okay, commitment to dedicate yourself to your beliefs wholeheartedly, knowing that love is the essence of your very being. Exactly. Next card for your reading or for the year of 2026 is virtue. You acknowledge your loving spiritual attributes that encourage others to grow. Okay, so yeah, definitely commitment and virtue, these are some very best words you could get for the year 2026, I think. And yes, you decide yourself, you dedicate yourself to your beliefs wholeheartedly, knowing that love is the essence of your very being. Okay, love is the essence of your very being. Okay, and it is for everyone, not just for you. Okay, so yeah, keep that loving energy, tune into that tween. Anyways, tune into that loving energy for the year of 2026, and you will love this year ahead of you. And with the virtue, you acknowledge your loving spiritual attributes that encourage others to grow. So आपके भी कुछ spiritual attributes हैं, loving attributes हैं, उनको भी acknowledge करके चलो, right? And appreciate yourself, right? That you could also encourage others to grow and specifically do that. And I think virtue ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि maybe the things that you have been trying to plan some new venture, whatever, I think it's also connected to that. So yeah, acknowledge your efforts, your hard work, and yeah. Anyways, that was your reading. Hopefully you resonated, and अगर आपको reading अच्छी लगी हो तो please put a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in your next reading. Bye bye. हाय पाल नंबर थ्री, दिस इज़ योर रीडिंग एंड अब हम देखेंगे आपके सिचुएशन कार्ड्स, एंड एज यूजुअल इफ़ यू रेजोनेट विद these सिचुएशन कार्ड्स, दिस reading is for you. हाय पाल नंबर थ्री, दिस इज़ योर रीडिंग. दिस विल बी योर मेन कार्ड. ये आपके रहेंगे सिचुएशन कार्ड्स, और ये रहेगा another oracle main card for your 2026. Okay, अगर आप इन कार्ड से सिचुएशन कार्ड से रेजोनेट करते हैं, देन वेल एंड गुड. एंड इफ यू डू नॉट रेजोनेट विद दीज कार्ड्स, दिस रीडिंग इज नॉट फॉर you. You are suggested to switch back to pile selection part and choose another pile. What Hi, pile number three. This is your reading, and this is your crystal green aventurine. काफी light है ये. Anyways, we'll keep this aside for now. And this will be your main card. ये आपके रहेंगे situation cards, और ये रहेगा आपका another oracle card. which will be the main oracle card for, or we could call it the energy overall for your 2026. Now this will be a main card for your 2026 in terms of tarot, but mainly ये reading oracle रहेगी. So if these situation cards, if you do not resonate with these situation cards, I would recommend you to switch back to the pile selection part and select another pile there. Okay, let's head into it. So firstly we'll see. Okay, द टावर. ओके, घबराने वाली इसमें कोई बात नहीं है, ठीक है, इतना डरना नहीं है. ओ माय गॉड, 2026 के लिए मेन एनर्जी द टावर आई है, तो मेरे को नहीं पता है कैसा जाएगा. सी, टावर कार्ड इज ऑल अबाउट ट्रांजिशंस, इट्स ऑल अबाउट न्यू बिगिनिंग, इट्स ऑल अबाउट every perspective of your life is going to shift into a new one. Okay, so it mainly represents the transition period and the new beginnings. Okay, and the new outcomes and opportunity. तो डरने वाली इसमें कोई बात नहीं, उल्टा it's a good card. But yes, it might seem a bit tough, but know for a fact कि transition periods life में important होते हैं for you to learn, you know, how to overcome and tackle challenges, right, and obstacles. Let's see आपके situation cards क्या कहते हैं. Okay, I'll keep it here. Okay, so with the Hierophant, it feels like, you know, Hierophant के साथ and the Six of Cups combined, it feels like कि your situation right now is that you might have, you know, gotten out of a relationship, या फिर कुछ ऐसा है आपकी लाइफ में जिसकी वजह से you are, you know, like reminiscing about the old past, the good memories, and you know पूरा nostalgia hit हो रहा है, that good moments. It honestly, this is a general reading, so I'll be attracting a lot of, you know, people. So it could be anyone, like it could be anything कि maybe आप relationship से बाहर आए हो, या फिर maybe, you know, like it's not relationship but it's genuinely just, you know, reminiscing about the past. So with the Hierophant, it is recommended you, जो भी आपकी situation है, इट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट द फैक्ट कि नॉस्टैल्जिया ऐसे भी नहीं हो सकता कि हाँ मतलब रिलेशनशिप और उस तरीके से ही हो. इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग डाउन, यू आर recommended to stick to the traditional ways of, you know, healing yourself. Look at this guy, he's connecting with that yak, right? So it basically suggests, this art suggests that, you know, he's trying to connect with nature. He seems pretty low, but he feels good connecting with that. So I think, you know, you should go to the old ways of healing. And yeah, I think that would help you a lot to heal from the past. Okay, even though you are happy about the things, but you know, a lot of nostalgia will lead you to, you know, at last, you know, just not like, you know, आप अपना प्रेजेंट कंपेयर करने लग पड़ते हो समटाइम्स कि यू थिंक कि ओके पास में इतना अच्छा था, आई थिंक प्रेजेंट में भी मैंने सोच, मुझे नहीं पता था कि ऐसा होगा, बुरा होगा, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था. तो यू काइंड ऑफ स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग. ओके, सो डोंट डू दैट, डोंट जस्ट, यू नो, उसमें घुस ही नहीं जाना है कि हाँ भाई पास्ट के बारे में ही सोच रहे हैं. ओके, now for the oracle card, wanting more for other puts me into an energy of abundance, right? So आप औरों के लिए सोच के abundant फील करोगे, लेकिन औरों के लिए कब सोचोगे? पहले अपने लिए सोचोगे, अपने आप को स्टेबल करोगे, then you'll think about others. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now let's dive into the tea leaf reading for each month of your 2026. My mic died and मैं इस पार्ट पर आ गई हूँ, बट माई डिस्क्लेमर वॉज दैट आई डू नॉट बिलीव इन फॉर्चून टेलिंग, इवन दो वी विल बी शफलिंग tea leaf fortune cards. But yes, I do not promise the future. I can predict it for you, but I am not going to promise the future to you. Okay, let's be real. Whatever we do in present, okay, decides what is going to happen in our future, right? So I am not here to spread lies. I just want to be real, and I just want you to heal and feel better, and that is what my aim is. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's get into your oracle card reading. Let's find what card is for the month of January. Kite vacation. Okay, okay. I think you might be going on a vacation because apparently, of course, it's New Year. Why not? Lovely, amazing. Oh my god. Anyways, I'll take this card, which is the wedge. Someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. Now, honestly, this card came bit. I think it came in. I don't know if it was the first or second pile, but anyways, I take this card not as a warning, but I take this card as a message that you know in your path towards success or whatever you have aimed for the year 2026, only you are the one on that path. Okay, nobody is on that path. आप अपने पाथ पे खुद हो, ठीक है, आपने आगे बढ़ना है, वो सब कुछ आप पे डिपेंड करता है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू दिस वन थिंग, anything stopping you from achieving that thing is only you yourself. Okay, I am not trying to disregard the fact ki okay, traumas and this and that, yes, they are there, but know for a fact ki at last you need to help yourself, you need to resolve those issues and then move ahead and achieve great things in your life, right? Okay. Let's get into the month of March. एक तो ये ना कार्ड्स गोल गोल बहुत है भाई, गिर जाते हैं इधर उधर. Anyways, I don't know, I feel like my throat is acting up. Anyways, if if you do not feel well right now, if your throat is acting up, I would suggest you to, make a warm tea, put some amount of salt in it. Make a ginger tea, okay? And it's your preference. You could even keep it milk tea or normal tea. But yeah. Oh my god, I was talking about the. Oh my god, I did not see this card, and it's a teapot. Oh my god. This is crazy. मैं इसको देख भी नहीं रही थी. Damn. I was just looking here and there and just trying to, tell you this message of drinking a hot tea, and then oh my god, मैंने ये notice ही नहीं करा. Anyways, deep friendship with someone of the same sex. Honestly, I don't know about the same sex thing, but I think what happened right now, if you feel like it, I would recommend you to, just put a pink heart so that I know that, you are my bestie, like you're a cutie. You are going to be my friend. That is amazing. Anyways, let's move on to the next month. But okay, teapot March. Now, yeah, you could, start some friendships because apparently your main card was the tower card, right? So yeah, it could mean a lot of no, because it means a lot of new beginnings. It could be possible कि March में आप कुछ ऐसा कर रहे हो, you must be joining something and you'll be meeting new people, so you could find somebody of the same sex maybe. uh, I do not restrict it to the gender thing, but yeah, um, you could find someone and make a deep friendship with them, have a deep friendship with them. Anyways, for the month of April, I don't know. I'll take this. I also want to take this. Anyways, an exciting event. Okay, ये पहले भी आया है in the month of May in the previous piles. Anyways, if you feel attracted towards pile 1 or 2 also, you could watch any one of them, and yeah, you could take the messages जो आपके साथ resonate करते हैं. Okay, now excited. Keep your life in balance. Yeah. So even if an exciting event is coming up, make sure that you keep your life balanced. And I see there is a fruit and a flower, so it kind of shows that, keep your health prioritized. It feels like not in the month of April only, but in overall the year 2026. Let's move on to the month of May. Okay, it's one card and okay, it's two cards. Haystack, karma, you will reap what you have sown. Exactly. See, it's not even about karma, it's the fact that whatever you have sown is what you will reap, right? And I hope you're able to see this card. This is Tiger doing something risky, taking a chance. You can do that. It kind of feels like you might be starting a new venture or anything that sort. I think you should do that. अगर ऐसा मे में होता है in 2026. Let's move on to the month of June. Why did it stand that way? Two cards. मेरे को अलग अलग से गिरते तो मैं ले लेती. Oh my god. I'll take these and not these. Okay. Beetle, good fortune, and box. You will receive a gift. Very nice. In June, you will be receiving a gift. That means good fortune. But as I said, whatever you do now decides how your future will look like. And in July, fly a period of ill health, depression. Okay, guys. इससे पहले कि तुम परेशान हो जाओ, पागल हो जाओ कि oh my god, ये तो खुद ही बोल रहा है period of ill health, does not necessarily mean a period of ill health, but could be a period where you, maybe it is a warning for you to, as I said कि यहाँ पे खाना पीना अच्छा रखना है, so make sure you do that for the year of 2026. But it could be a phase where you might as well, as what do we call it, it's a transition period in your life where you feel a lot low. So this month for the 2026 could be that way, okay, not like proper illness नहीं हो सकता है, but हाँ, could be that way. Okay, now for the month of August, we have a sincere wish will be granted. Okay, it feels like manifestation. If you are into manifestation, I would recommend you to be consistent in that and also work upon that. Okay, let's shuffle for the month of September. Pause. Pay attention to your finances in September. Okay, but yeah, overall, if we do not restrict these messages to the month itself, I think ये हमें collectively भी ले लेने चाहिए messages. Okay, like it could be for any situation. Okay, for the month of October, thank you. Okay, ये किसी पिछली पाइल में भी आया था, which was heart take over what you no longer have. Doesn't necessarily mean इसको पैसे से आप connect मत कर लेना. Could be for some of you because this is a general reading. लेकिन heart take over what you no longer have. Now, अभी हम जुलाई में थे, a period of ill health, depression, and now we have a heart take over what you no longer have. You might be shedding some old skin in 2026 too, because apparently life is all about changing and changing and changing. Okay, you're never the same. You learn new things, you change according to them. Okay, so it could be, you just shedding your old skin. Okay, so do not worry about that. Next is for the November. A marriage will take place, either romantic or business. So, as the card suggests, either you could be attending a marriage, ऐसा हो सकता है नवंबर में, either you'll find, maybe a rishta on your way, या फिर like maybe you get into a relationship or something. And we could also, as it says, or business wise, we maybe you could be, just yeah, you know aligning with somebody, not aligning, but what do we call it, forming a business relationship with somebody in November 2026, ऐसा हो सकता है. Anyways, let's move on to the December part. Okay, sunrise, new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. I kind of, it's like the message, it says new creative ideas, new ventures, and a fresh start, but honestly, it feels like ki at the end of the day you'll see this beautiful sunset, and you do not need to worry about these up and downs in your life. Okay, everything is going to be fine. Life is all about up and down. Down नहीं होगा तो happy कैसे feel करोगे, और हैप्पी नहीं होगे तो सैड कैसे फील करोगे, है ना. So they should be both balanced. Okay, like that. Okay, now this is your oracle card reading. Now we will shuffle more oracle cards and more messages for you. Okay, I don't know, but I feel like that पाइल उठ क्यों नहीं रहा है. Anyways, I feel like कि फर्स्ट वाले पाइल में भी मैंने अलग से एक्स्ट्रा oracle messages की रीडिंग करी, सेकंड में भी थोड़ी सी अलग ही करी है, but a bit similar. For the third one, I want to go just random. Okay, so one card with this oracle card, which is the oracle of the fairies. एक कार्ड हम इसमें से ले लेंगे. ओके. That is inner child. The fairies of playfulness remind you to take time to embrace your inner child. Playing keeps us young at heart. Do something silly and fun, but stay safe. Okay. So with the inner child, I think you should get back, to the hobbies that you liked. The stuff that you liked doing जब आप छोटे थे. Just do that. Heal your inner child. Connect with yourself. Let's head on to another oracle card from the super attractive tarot deck. Oracle deck, sorry. It's two cards, okay? It's good to feel good. I let the universe catch up with my dreams. ये पहले भी आया था किसी के लिए. I feel like I don't know now. इतनी tarot रीडिंग करती हूँ ना मैं. I'm sorry, I just yawned. I have yawned like for 4 times pile 2 में. मेरे को बहुत नींद आ रही थी. I don't know why I felt so sleepy. Must be you guys' energy. But anyways, okay. Now it's good to feel good. Feel good, be good, 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 good. Okay. I let the universe catch up with my dreams. So tension नहीं लेनी है कि मिलना है कि नहीं मिलना. Just keep on working and the universe will do the rest. Okay. Now last card from the Power of Love Oracle deck. Oh my god, ये ऐसा कैसा हो रहा है? I'll take this one. Creativity. Okay, the colors are so cute. Creativity. You love to devise new ideas, innovations, and forms of illumination. Wow. This is such a great card. I think कि काफ़ी creative year भी होने वाला है 2026 आपके लिए. And that is such a wonderful reading. Okay, do we see any extra messages? Okay, with the creativity, I would let you remind. Okay, now creativity and inner child. Okay, see, bring that childlike creativity back. Okay, it might help you through the stuff that you are going through, the nostalgia that has been hitting you from a while now. I think you should do that. Okay. Okay. सो या गाइज दिस वॉज योर रीडिंग. होपफुली आप रेजोनेट करे होंगे. अगर आपको ये रीडिंग पसंद आई हो, प्लीज पुट अ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड आई विल मीट यू इन नेक्स्ट रीडिंग. Bye bye. Hi, pile number 4. This is your reading and this is your crystal. It is yellow jasper. अभी हम इसको साइड में रख देंगे. दिस विल बी योर मेन कार्ड. ये आपका रहेगा ओरेकल मेन कार्ड फॉर द ईयर ऑफ 2026 और ये रहेंगे आपके सिचुएशन कार्ड्स. अगर आप इन सिचुएशन कार्ड से रेजोनेट करते हो, वेल एंड गुड. एंड इफ़ यू डू नॉट, आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू स्विच बैक टू द पाइल सिलेक्शन पार्ट एंड वहाँ पे आप कोई अपना और पाइल चूज कर सकते हो. Okay, let's get into it. Okay. Two of Pentacles, right? Okay. So, Two of Pentacles as the main card for 2026 suggests that you, you know, you are going to be handling a lot of responsibilities, juggling and balancing a lot of stuff in the year of 2026. And I think that you're going to be pretty busy doing that, but it does not look like you'll be not happy doing that. I think you'll be very happy, even though emotionally कुछ turbulences रह सकते हैं for because of your juggling and muggling of these responsibilities. But overall it suggests that you'll be busy the entire year of 2026. Anyways, we'll get into the situation cards right now. I was just tying my hair, it's pretty messed up. Okay. Okay, Four of Cups and Seven of Swords. Now with the Four of Cups, it feels like कि आपकी सिचुएशन इस वक्त ऐसी है कि यू आर लाइक मूविंग इनटू दिस न्यू फेज वेयर यू आर लीविंग दिस डिससैटिस्फाइड एनर्जी जो भी है आपकी लाइफ में, यू लीविंग दैट बिहाइंड और आपका नया फेज शुरू हो रहा है. And with the Seven of Swords, it seems like you are dealing with somebody in your life who's kind of either manipulating you or using, not so good means, and, you know, just a pretty much not a bad person, I would say, but yeah, they're whatever they're doing, it's not good, and it feels like the person you're dealing with is kind of causing you a little bit of trouble right now. Anyways, now the main card is the Oracle card. I accept that good things come easily. I am a super attractor. Amazing. This card is literally amazing. This card is what everyone prays for. You are a super attractor. And you know what? Whatever you want, you are going to literally create that, manifest that, and do wonders for yourself. Okay. Let's head into the oracle main reading, which will be the oracle reading for every month of your 2026. And let's head into it. Hi everyone, so we are back and we will shuffle these tea leaf fortune cards for you. Even though I will, put a disclaimer, or I should say my personal experience, I usually do not do, this fortune telling stuff. I'm sorry, guys. I just yawned. Anyways, so I don't usually do this fortune telling stuff. Like, I feel like ki whatever you do now is going to decide what will happen in your future, and I don't want to spread any lies. Let's be real, right? But I can predict future for you, but I won't be promising it to you कि हाँ भाई मैंने तो बोला था कि ऐसे होगा तो ऐसे ही होगा. So let's not do that, and let's just stick to reality. Okay. Now let's shuffle these cards for you. Okay, not इतने सारे नहीं चाहिए भाई. क्या यार? For the month of January 2026. Okay. Was secret admirer. Oh my god, secret admirer. That is literally so cute, and even the vase is so pretty. I know, right? Like, wow. Okay, there is some secret admirer. Maybe he might approach you in January. Let's see. February, Mountain Road, you are on the road to success. News of a birth or a new business opportunity. I feel like it is more career oriented, and you could, get this in February maybe. And yes, you are on the road to success. Let's see what March says. Oh my god, इतनी जल्दी आ रहे हैं cards. Okay, ये last reading में भी आया था, which was for pile number 3, I guess. Doing something risky, taking a chance in March. उनके लिए वो मई में आया था. Anyways, I'm sorry, if you feel, you know, attracted towards the pile number 3, आप वो भी जाके देख सकते हैं और उसमें से कोई भी मैसेज ले सकते हैं जिसको आप रेजोनेट करते हैं, जिससे आप रेजोनेट करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल. पिन new job and career. I think it is very much positive. It's like it starts with a secret admirer, and now it's all about job and career. What else does someone want? Okay, reconciliation. Okay, that straightforwardly says that somebody, or the person that you're dealing with right now, maybe them or anyone else, you could reconcile with them in May, maybe if you're planning to, end things with this current person. या फिर maybe ऐसा हो सकता है आपका कोई ex आ सकता है वापस in May. Let's see if that happens or not. Two cards, almost three cards, but I'll just take two. Okay, for the month of June. Pig, beware of greed. Deep personal strength and peace that assure success. Amazing. Peace is what we want, guys. It feels like, you know, that this new job and career, you'll be focusing in April on your career. और ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको काफ़ी सारे distractions आए मई में, because with the pineapple it's reconciliation. It feels like that. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Make sure you prioritize your work more, and like, it depends on you what you should. If see, mm, things are not going to be gender specific here. Whatever feels right to you, do that. But yeah, it mostly feels like कि ऐसा लग रहा है कि यू आर द टाइप ऑफ पर्सन हु वांट्स टू मे बी prioritize their career and prioritize themselves first as being independent. It feels like, and even if not, then definitely relationships and stuff like that. Anyways, for the month of July 2026, let's see what the cards have to say for this month. Okay. Candle, you will be shown the way. Whatever it is, you will be shown the way, as we are just talking about it. जो भी है वो आपको दिखाया जाएगा. Okay, it's two cards for the month of August. Wheel, indecisiveness, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. Yeah, you can do that. Okay, there are three cards. Dissatisfaction with life and period of prosperity and abundance. तीनों एक साथ में. It kind of feels like कि August to December could be a period of this because it lines up this way. I see that. मतलब मिक्स सा फेज रह सकता है ये, even including the month September and October, not just these 3 months. Okay, now let's go for the month of September. Cards क्या कहते हैं? Muddled, unclear thinking. Yeah, right? It kind of connects with the. Oh my god, it was a sneeze. Anyways, with the indecisiveness and the, dissatisfaction with life, kind of, it connects with that. हो सकता है ऐसा पीरियड हो आपकी लाइफ में जो दिसंबर तक ऐसा थोड़ा सा फेज चले, इवन दो फाइनेंशियली इट मस्ट बी गुड. Nah, we're not gonna take this. For the month of October, dog, far away, a distant friend is still thinking of you. I don't know what it, क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल रिकन्सिलिएशन के नीचे आसा हो सकता है. दिस मस्ट बी अ फ्रेंड, नॉट जस्ट अ नॉट जस्ट एन एक्स, बट या इट काइंड ऑफ फॉल्स. ऐसा हो सकता है कि वो मे में तो रिकनसाइल करने की उन्होंने कोशिश करी होगी, बट दे मे अप्रोच यू इन अक्टूबर अगेन नेक्स्ट ईयर मे बी. एनीवेज, लेट्स सी. और इट कुड बी कि मे में नहीं करेंगे तो अक्टूबर में कर सकते हैं. Now, firecracker, excitement in November. Okay, could be some sort of event also in November because apparently the colors indicate that kuch wo, you know. Oh, okay. So in December, it says that birth or conception of a child. If you guys are trying, it could be a birth or some sort of thing regarding a baby. But even if it's not, definitely, you know, a birth of a new idea, a new beginning could be started in December 2026. And with the diamond, you'll be receiving or giving a precious gift to somebody. It feels like कि 2026 में आपके month from August to December are going to be very very specific. ये starting के थोड़े आराम से chill mode में रहेंगे. ये थोड़े specific months होने वाले हैं, August to December. Okay, that is even crazy. Okay, I will shuffle more oracle cards for you. Let's see, I would do it for these months. पहले तो इन months के लिए क्या आता है? Let's see. With the oracle cards. Okay, I'll take this one. I believe I am worthy of feeling good. As the card suggests, no self-doubt, no negative talk. Keep it this way. I believe I am worthy of feeling good. Let's head into the other card, which is from the Power of Love. Okay, it's two cards. Purpose. Yeah, so it also says that with the Four of Cups जो आपके starting में situation cards में आया था, it also says कि you might be finding a new purpose in your life, and it clearly suggests with this card you possess the determination and dedication to consciously demonstrate love. Amazing. Next is self-love. Oh my god, they are so perfect. Self-love. You realize that love of self is necessary to love another, as we said. Correct. And let's shuffle one more oracle card for you from the Oracle of the Fairies. Okay, I'll take this one, which is life energy. The happy fairy of sunshine brings lots of life giving energy. She reminds you to shine your light and to reveal anything in the shadows that needs to be healed. Okay, yeah, absolutely great. Actually, इस कार्ड से मुझे याद आया कि द प्रीवियस पाइल विच इज पाइल नंबर 3 उसमें मेन कार्ड वाज द टैरो टावर कार्ड नॉट द टैरो बट द टावर कार्ड एंड इस वाले कार्ड में लाइफ एनर्जी में इट सेज दैट anything in the shadows that needs to be healed, like bring light to that part of your life. तो इट कुड बी पॉसिबल दैट आपको थर्ड वाली पाइल भी अट्रैक्टिव लगी हो. अगर आपको लगी हो तो यू कुड इवन वॉच दैट एंड सी द मैसेजेस फॉर योर सेल्फ, जिनसे आप अगर रेजोनेट करते हो वो आप ले सकते हो. एंड या दैट इज इट. You are, suggested to um, put light. This year is going to be about you. It is going to be about you, and you need to, put light onto the dark aspects in your life where you think you need improvement, you think you need recognition, that okay, I need to heal this first, okay, I want to heal that. Because apparently पिछली वाली पाइल में इनर चाइल्ड भी आया था. आई काइंड इट्स काइंड इन द एंड अभी ये थोड़ा थोड़ा उसके साथ भी कनेक्ट हो रहा है. सो इफ यू want to, you can watch the third pile. But yeah, it's really amazing. And yeah, I believe worthy of feeling good, self love, very important, purpose, very important. It's all about you. I love this reading actually. Anyways, this was your reading. Hopefully you resonated with it. Agar aapko ye reading pasand aayi ho, you could put a like or subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my reading till the end. अगर आपको one-on-one readings में interest है, you could DM me on my Instagram account, which is linked in the description box. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again.